Imagine this. Right now, while you're watching this video, stars are exploding, black holes are swallowing matter, planets are being born, and somewhere in the universe, light is traveling toward us from billions of years ago. But here's the crazy part. Scientists are discovering things in space that are forcing us to rethink what we thought we knew about the universe. So, what exactly is happening in space right now? Let's go beyond Earth. First, let's start with something happening much closer to home. You may feel completely still right now, but you're actually moving at incredible speeds. Earth is spinning on its axis. At the same time, it's orbiting the Sun at roughly 107,000 kilometers per hour, and our entire solar system is moving through the Milky Way galaxy. Even the Milky Way itself is moving through the universe. So technically, you have never been truly stationary for even a second. And while all of this is happening, astronomers are constantly watching the sky for something much bigger. Somewhere out there, enormous clouds of gas and dust are collapsing under gravity, and from these clouds, new stars are being born. Inside these stellar nurseries, gravity pulls material together until temperatures and pressures become extreme enough for nuclear fusion to begin. That's when a star truly comes alive. And here's something incredible. The Sun you see every day is just one ordinary star among hundreds of billions in the Milky Way. There are likely billions of planets orbiting other stars. Some may be frozen worlds, some could be giant gas planets, and some might have conditions that are surprisingly similar to Earth. Which brings us to one of the biggest questions in astronomy. Are we alone? Astronomers have discovered thousands of planets outside our solar system. They're called exoplanets. Some orbit so close to their stars that their surfaces could be unimaginably hot. Others orbit in regions where temperatures might allow liquid water under the right conditions. But detecting life is an entirely different challenge. Scientists are searching the atmospheres of distant planets for chemical clues. Because if a planet has an unusual combination of gases, it could potentially tell us something extraordinary is happening there. We may not find little green aliens. The first evidence of life beyond Earth could be much smaller, a chemical signature hidden in the atmosphere of a distant world. And then there are black holes, the most extreme objects we know of. A black hole can form when a massive star collapses under its own gravity. Its gravitational pull becomes so powerful that beyond a boundary called the event horizon, even light cannot escape. But black holes aren't simply cosmic vacuum cleaners. They interact with stars, gas, dust, and other objects around them. As matter falls toward a black hole, it can become incredibly hot and produce enormous amounts of radiation. And at the center of many galaxies, there is an even more terrifying possibility: a supermassive black hole. Our own Milky Way contains one at its center, and despite being millions of times more massive than the Sun, it's about 26,000 light years away from Earth. So don't worry, it isn't coming for us. Now comes something even harder to imagine. The universe itself is expanding. Galaxies on enormous scales are getting farther apart, and the farther away a galaxy is, the faster it generally appears to be receding from us. But scientists discovered something even more surprising. The expansion of the universe is accelerating. We call the mysterious cause of this acceleration dark energy. And here's the problem: we don't actually know what dark energy is. In fact, most of the universe appears to be made of things we still don't fully understand. Dark matter, dark energy, and only a small fraction is the ordinary matter that makes stars, planets, humans, and everything we can see around us. There's another mind-blowing fact about space. When you look at the night sky, you are looking into the past. Light takes time to travel, so when you see the Sun, you're seeing it as it was about 8 minutes ago. When astronomers observe a galaxy a billion light years away, they are seeing that galaxy as it existed 1 billion years in the past. Some of the most distant objects we observe are showing us light that began its journey when the universe was extremely young. In other words, telescopes aren't just looking across space, they're looking back through time. That's what makes space so fascinating. Right now, somewhere in the universe, a star could be exploding, a planet could be forming, a black hole could be consuming matter, a distant world could be changing, and maybe, somewhere out there, life is looking back at the stars too. We don't yet know the full story, but every new discovery brings us one step closer. If you want more mind-blowing space stories, subscribe to Abuzar and turn on notifications, because the universe isn't waiting for us, it's happening right now.